are in ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, then the smallest angle in radian. The angles of triangle are in ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Hence, we consider this angle as K, 2K and 3K. Triangle is ABC. Now, sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. We'll consider this as pi. So, K plus 2K plus 3K is equal to 6K is equal to pi. So, Q is equal to pi by 6 radians. So smallest angle is pi by 6 radian. Now we'll take second example. A semicircle is divided into two sectors whose angles are in the ratio 4 is to 5. So we'll consider the semicircle. This is our semicircle and is divided into two sectors. Ratio of angles of two sectors is 4 is to 5. So if this sector is A1, this sector is A2. Ratio of angles is what? 4 is to 5. So this we will consider this angle as 4K and this as 5K. Now area of sector A1 is equal to half R square theta 1 because theta 1 is equal to 4K and area of sector A2 is equal to half R square theta 2. Theta 2 is equal to 5K. Now we'll take the ratio A1 upon A2 that is equal to half R square theta 1 upon half R square theta 2. This will get cancelled. That is equal to theta 1 upon theta 2. Theta 1 is 4K and theta 2 is 5K. K will get cancelled. So ratio of the areas of sector is A1 is to A2 is equal to 4 is to 5.